Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. In this video, I like to share with you how to make a very easy and tasty creamy homemade hung curd made from organic plain Greek yogurt. This hung curd can be used to make sandwiches or also Shrikhand sweet. So now let's get started with the process of making this hung curd. So to make this homemade hung curd, I have used a medium-sized colander and a medium-sized vessel underneath it. So in this, I'm going to be putting in a soft muslin cloth like this. And in this soft muslin cloth, I will add in 1 cup of organic Greek yogurt. Now after adding in the 1 cup of organic Greek yogurt into the muslin cloth, make sure to tie the muslin cloth intact in all its corners and place it into the colander. This helps the excess water to drip into the vessel underneath. Once you have tied the Greek yogurt into the muslin cloth nice and good, place it into the refrigerator for 4 hours. This is Greek yogurt. I kept it in the refrigerator for 4 hours and now look at this beautiful creamy texture. Wow, it's super creamy. It has drained all of this extra water. Here you go. Yummy, creamy, homemade hung curd or yogurt made from organic plain Greek yogurt ready. Do try this easy homemade creamy hung curd and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.